If you've been at the social media game for a while now, you've probably heard this phrase documenting. Documenting your day, highlighting everything that you've done, and really just posting as much as you can. Now, while we encourage documenting for the right reasons, you want to be careful about documentation versus value added. While you're in the process of documenting, you do not want to diminish the value of your brand over time. And what I mean by that is, are you posting just for the sake of uploading that story or just getting something out there? You need to think about what is the value that this post is adding to my audience, right? If it's just a random picture of you, let's say at a coffee shop, and you're just posting that for the sake of uploading a story, well, are you adding any value to your audience that's gonna see that content? Or are they just gonna swipe because they gain nothing from that? You know, once in a while, it's completely okay to do that. But if you do that every single day and you start doing it consistently, for you, you might be accomplishing the goal of getting something out there on social media. But for your audience, they're getting diminishing value from your content. So be very careful when you're documenting and make sure that you are adding at least a piece of value-added element when it comes to publishing on social media.